Come on, G. All right, here we go. This is the no hand. See if you can hold it competition. Ah! No hands. So we're not allowed to use our hands to get Oliver off of us. Get in here. Ah! Here. Right, put our heads together. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Ah! 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 I'm going to attack. All right, get in here. Ready? Get your heads together. We have to make a wall. Put your head here, G. Ah!
Let's do this when Mommy comes in.
Hold on. Put our heads together. Ready? Go. Go a little bit. Oh, he's tearing up my hand. Ah! 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 We need to distract him. Over here, buddy. Ah! Get ready. Ah! Ah! Oh, really? Oh, you're supposed to be licking our face. Oh, they're ripping my thumb off. Oh, my leg, Jalen. Oh, he just destroyed my leg. Ah! All right. All right. He's going. Oh, my God. This guy tickles. I just moved him. I lost. I just moved him. All right. So for every time I move him, I have to do a penalty. That means by myself, you have to hold him and release him. All right. I've got to do a penalty now. Penalty for 5 seconds. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6,
Oh my gosh. All right. Everyone's back in the game?
Yeah.
Oh, I may have just snorted his mucus inside of me. Oh. Oh. Ah, and I just swallowed it. Oh. All right, here we go. Ready?
Yes.
Set. All right, we got to get our head. Oh, why are you destroying my head, huh? Watch the camera.
Maybe he likes whatever you
All right, here we go. Ready? All right, ready. Jay, come over here. Don't touch it. Oh, really? Ready? Set. All right, Jalen, over here. Over here. Put your face on this side, All right, ready? Oh, he's after my hair. Oh, no. Oh, no. He's trying to get my hand for some reason. Put your hand. Ah! Oh, we're being attacked. We're being attacked.
You moved your hand. You have a penalty.
No, I didn't move him though with my hand. That's the thing.
Oh.
Why it just get so dark?
That really.
It's got really dark out of nowhere. Oh, that's why. There it is. Oh, that's a pretty cool feature. Look at that.
Oh. One. Oliver. That was fun.
All right,
He has your stand. He has your stand.
Oliver! No stand. You okay? Are you okay?
Mommy!
Joel, say hi to the camera and bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh my gosh. I completely forgot. I forgot to take out meat for dinner. I'm so sorry, Jill. She's not too happy. It stinks in here. It stinks in here. Ah, Jill.
No, I did.
Why does it stink in here, Gianna?
Because she pooped. Gianna pooped.
It was a big one too. She pooped. I saw. She made me wipe her butt. All right. I don't know. I guess it stinks in here. So that means either 1, Daddy stinks. 2, the girls stink. Or 3, somebody's got a stinky upper lip. But chances are it's Oliver. He probably peed somewhere in the house. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Might as well wait till it's 5 seconds. Family, friends. This is a family show. Subscribe. Subscribe. Say subscribe, girls.
Subscribe!
Jill, can we get a subscribe to our channel, please, and leave a comment and like?
Leave me alone.
There you go. Later, the Vanko family.
I
Oh,
will.
Oliver, say something. How do you feel about the game we played, Al?